Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we have this beautiful looking bike which is an Van Russell Adia AF105. So currently in India, this is the only model under the brand name of 105, but soon they are going to launch multiple bikes in the brand name of Van Russell. Talking about this bike, so this bike, so the cost of this bike is 1 lakh rupees, 99,999. But the MRP is 1 lakh 50,000. But currently the price is 99,999. Talking about the bike, this bike, so this frame is this frame is an alloy frame with a carbon fork and with a 105 grip set. But this bike is not an entirely 105 grip set. Why I tell you, because the crank set, the chain and the cassette. So these three components are not a part of 105 grip set. Coming to this crankset, so this crankset is Shimano Compact RS 510 crankset. This is 50 and 34 configuration with length with an arm length of 170 mm. This crankset right here costs far lesser than the 105 crankset, and basically it does the same job. Apart from the weight, it weighs slightly heavier than the 105 gripset crankset. The value for money. So talking about the chain and cassette, so these two components are from Microshift. So yeah, so talking about the cassette, so this cassette ranges from 11 teeths to 32 teeths. So that's a wide range of gears. So basically this cassette is 11 speed cassette. So as I said you, it's 32 and 11 teeths. That's a good range. So this is a R7000 105 derailleur, and this is a R7000 front derailleur. Talking about the frame, so this might be the most affordable frame set in India, which is UCI legal. Yeah, that's a UCI legal frame. Very few alloy frames in the world are UCI approved frame, and in India this might be the most affordable UCI legal frame right now. So that's a very good. So if you're racing in UCI races, so this bike is eligible for it. So basically, this bike is in size S. So in the size S, this bike offers you a 400 millimeter handlebar width with a 90 mm stem. So that's a good combination because the wider handlebar helps you ride for longer duration of time. But if you're doing races, you better opt for narrow handlebar, which improves the aerodynamic efficiency. So coming to the shifter, this is Shimano 105 R7000 shifter, and basically this might be the only bike in India right now which offers a 105 gripset with a 105 rim brake. Yeah, 105 rim brake. So rim brake these days have become very rare. Now all the companies, all the brands have opted for a disc braking system. So that's good that the Van is offering a rim brake, because if there's a rim brake, you can easily maintain it. I mean, it's very cost effective. It's easy to maintain, and there's nothing to maintain as such. Just ride, and you just need to regularly look after the brakes. That's it. So coming to the tires, so this tire is Ralston 700 into 28 seat tire. So both the wheels are running on Ralston tire. So this tire is considered as decently. I mean, it's quite average. It's not as good as other brands. So if you're getting this bike, just upgrade to a better tire like the Vittoria Rubino or Continental Ultra Sport. Those two tires are far better than this. So you better upgrade to those tires, because those tires are faster, are more reliable, and are more and provide much better puncture protection. So coming to the wheel set of this bike, so this bike is running on a Fulcrum Racing 6 wheel set, which weighs around 1900 grams. So that's quite light considering the price of this bike. But in the website of the Decathlon, they have mentioned different wheel set, which is a Shimano RS wheels. So you have to just cross check about it, because few dealers in the Decathlon, they might have offer some different wheel set. So just cross check after it. So the bike which I'm getting, the bike which I got is this, the Fulcrum R6. So this bike has quick release, not a traction, so that's a old school. And this frame has a duotone paint job. So you get white paint here and black on the seat stays and here. So now coming to the saddle and seat post. So this is the between ErgoFit system, and this is between competition alloy seat post with the diameter of 31.6 mm and the length of 350 mm. That's quite a that's quite a long seat post. So if you're a tall rider, so this post coming to be a useful thing. So this frame offers you two bottle cages, one at 1 year and 1 year. So talking about the weight of this bike, so this bike in size S is around 9.1 kgs. So that's quite lightweight. That's quite lightweight. I'm just lifting it by just my one hand. So it's pretty much light. And one more thing which I forgot to tell you is that this frame right here is an endurance frame. So this frame can provide you a good comfort, a good posture for longer rides. So this frame won't give a hard time for your joints. So yeah, this bike could be best for endurance rides. And since it's pretty much lightweight, so it can perform very well on hills as well. And this alloy frame doesn't have any internal routing, so all the four cables are exposed. So let me just show you to the other side. Here you go. For brakes and for the RD, it's all exposed. Nothing is integrated. That's a bit of negative, but since it's pretty much affordable bike, I just can't say much about it. So it's a very good bike. So what should you do? Should you consider this shortlisted, or you just avoid it, or should you just go straight away and just buy it? I would say just go and straight away just buy this bike. I mean, this bike is quite good. I mean, it's value for money. You're getting a Fulcrum wheel set, which are light, which are around 1900 grams both the wheels. So it's pretty much good, and you're getting a wide range of cassette as well in the price of 1 lakh. The most of the bikes in this price range comes max they come with a 10 speed grip set, but this bike is coming with 11 speed. So what do you want under the price of 1 lakh rupees? So this bike absolutely justifies its price. Just go ahead and buy it. It's a very good bike.